Here we have your hip adduction machine. What this means is we're taking your legs from an open position to a closed position, activating your inner thigh muscles, your adductors more specifically. There's two main points of adjustment here. The first one you'll find here, which opens up and sets the legs at the distance that you prefer. The second one is your weight adjustment. Make sure you always set your weight adjustment before you get into the machine. Right now it's set at about 80 pounds, which I'm just going to leave for demonstration purposes. Setting the machine, we're gonna open it up so that I can step into it, get my legs around it easily and effectively, okay? Now I'm sitting down. Place your legs on the pads. Here I could go a little bit further, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that lever out and I'm gonna try to open it just a little bit further until I hear that click. There it is. So once I hear that click, that means that the machine has hooked on. Okay? From here, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a nice posture, sit back on my pad, and squeeze the legs together, activating and engaging my adductor inner thigh muscles. Exhale on the way in, breathe in on the way back. Obviously, if I had better flexibility, as some people might, you can set the machine wider so that you open up even more.